Welcome to the Active Calendar video tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about sharing. Sharing is the ability to create event feeds for your website. Here we see Lehigh University using their event feed to show current news and upcoming events. And here we see the Indiana State Government using the application to create web feeds in a variety of places on their website. They have a section for recent releases, traffic updates, and upcoming events. All of these feeds were created from within Active Calendar. To create an event feed, log into your administrative site within Active Calendar. Click on the Sharing button on the right-hand side. Then click on Add a new share. Sharing is a very flexible tool. We can't go through all of the options today, but I'll run you through an example. The first step is to create a name for your share. A best practice here is to just name it whatever web page you're going to put it on. For example, type Homepage. If this were to be used for an athletics page, you might want to type athletics, and so on. There are several different types of shares. We default on syndication as it is the most widely used. There are several other options that may fit better into your web structure. Once you choose the type, click on the date range. This is going to be whatever range of information you want to be on your web feed. Usually you don't want it too far in advance, so the next 14 or 30 days is optimal. Once you choose the date range, you'll need to choose what data you actually want included in the web feed. We do this using keywords, categories, and locations. In this case, less is more. The more checkboxes you choose in categories and locations, the more filtered your event feed will be. For example, if I choose academics, then all academic events will be included in the web feed. However, if I choose academics and athletics, then only events that are in both categories will show up in the web feed. You will need to play around with your options to see exactly how you want the event feeds to fill out. If you leave all of the boxes unchecked, then all of your events will show in your web feed. Once you have the categories chosen that you want in your web feed, scroll down and you'll need to choose whether you want your highlighted events excluded, included, or to be the only thing in your event feed. Choose whatever seems appropriate. The same is true for private events. Below that, you'll see an option for no event message. This is a space where you can type in what you want the event feed to say if there are no events displayed. You can make it as simple as no events to display. Next, you'll need to choose the number of events to display. You usually want to keep this number low, between 5 and 10, so that it doesn't occupy too much of your web page. Then choose how you want recurring events to show. Do you want it to show just the next event in the series, or all of the events in the series? Choose whichever seems appropriate. Then you'll choose the template. We'll cover how to create a template in the How to Create a Template video. For right now, we'll leave it blank and it will default to the standard template. The last option is to check a box for Remove Events from List after start date and time. Choose this if appropriate. Once you have all the settings the way that you'd like them, click on Save and Get Code, and the application will automatically generate the code that you need into your web page. Simply copy it from the application and paste it where appropriate in your web page. Below the coding, you'll see a preview of what information will be displayed and how it will look in your event feed. This is covered in the How to Create a Template video. If you don't like the way the information is being displayed or the wrong information is being displayed, then scroll back up and make the necessary changes. Once you're finished, click Save and Get Code again, and the code will be updated. And that's it. Once you have the code, copy it and paste it into your web page, and you're set to go.